Hi, this is Yash here, founder of Hobbiate India Private Limited, and today we are going to talk about SecureLend. Before we get into SecureLend, let's quickly talk about our other products, namely BizLens and CreditField. Use BizLens to get external view about a company in a go. We look up internet, social media, listings, and various other data sources to bring insights about the companies. For example, ratings, locations, states, business plan, competition, domain, contact, product type, services. If you are lending to a large corporate, this framework will be extremely useful as you can add new types of searches and new types of data points dynamically using our framework. If you're lending to small business owners, you can get data around those small companies also. For personal loans, you can look at employment stability using these loans. Use CreditField to track where your field staff is and allocate the work accordingly. Your staff can mark attendance from anywhere and even submit their expenses using the app. They can fill and upload customer forms and documents with powerful geotagging feature available with this product. Now let's come back to SecureLend. SecureLend obviously combines the power of BizLens and CreditField, and it caters to the specific needs of the customers who are doing field investigation, who are doing KYC, who are doing property verification, etc. Assume that you have a field investigation coming in and you upload all the field investigation requests into the SecureLend using an API or a manual upload mechanism. So this is the dashboard showing all the requests that have come to SecureLend. And behind the scenes, you are going to get this thing done either by some of the agencies or through your internal team. SecureLend provides you a facility to automate assignment to the various agencies based on their rating, based on their cost, and availability of their staff at a particular location at that particular time. In this case, there are these many requests that are coming in, and you can see the status of each request. Next, we see the reports. There are some reports that have been classified as quick reports because it took the system only 2 minutes or so to bring in the contact point verification response. Now, what is a quick report? We can actually get the quick report based on the existing data that is there. So it allows you to leverage the information that exists in one silo and bring it in front to the other silo. Here we are talking about zones uh, based on the lending history in specific areas. If you have marked a particular place as a negative zone, then basically that will show up here. And depending on your policy, we can reject the loan application directly from this particular system. We are also able to identify many triggers, which we will see in detail, and that will help you detect uh, fraudulent applications. Here you can see the allocation of work to each agency in one single map. You can search and view the details of any contact point verification request in the system. Apart from providing the basic information about the contact point verification request or field investigation request, we also provide details about what's happening in the agency side. Also, you can see if there was similar contact point verification or field investigation request in past or not. So essentially, you will get the past history of a similar request, as well as you will get full details and visibility into the agency operations. Of course, not at the level where agencies are operating, but at the level which are important for you. For risk analysts, there is a separate section where they can see the fraud triggers related to various requests. Requests belonging to the same application are merged together and you get a holistic view about the application as such. The triggers are related to image match, velocity at a particular geolocation, velocity of data of similar kind, information mismatch, and so forth. You can review the performance of an agency and compare the performances of various agencies on various parameters. For example, tab performance, actual versus SLA, timely completion, disputes, data correction, and so forth. To arm you with more data for negotiation, we also provide you many more analytics like flow of requests every hour. Note that the system already takes care of distributing the rate of flow of requests during the allocation. This allows you to strengthen your relationships with your agencies and have a more business friendly relationship. In short, SecureLend helps you save money and reduce risk of lending by infusing community wisdom, organizational efficiencies, individual efficiencies with the help of deep data analytics and technology. I hope you find this product useful. If you do, please get back to me. I'm happy to talk more about it.